मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी,
now reports of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. C.P. Bhattacharya, please.
Of Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. 1. 185th report on the demand of grant 2015-16 of the Ministry of Home Affairs. And number 2, 186th report on the demand for the grant 2015-16 of the Ministry of Department of Northeastern Region.
Thank you very much. Yes, now. Yeah. Yes, Rangopal, yes, Chairman has already said that he will be called. Yes, agreed. Okay. Give me the notice, motion.
वो कुछ पॉइंट रख रहे हैं, इस पर डिस्कशन के लिए जब तय हो जाएगी डेट, उसके बाद पूरी चर्चा होगी। श्रीमान, देश में किसानों के सामने गंभीर समस्या है और जब आत्महत्या करने की नौबत आती है तो ये हताशा और निराशा की जब पराकाष्ठा हो जाती है तब ये स्थिति पैदा होती है। वास्तविकता ये है कि जो खेती है वो पूरी तरह से घाटे का सौदा हो गया है। जो लागत लगाता है किसान वो भी उसको मिल नहीं पाती है और जब घाटे में होगा और प्राकृतिक आपदाओं से उसकी फसल बर्बाद हो जाएगी तब फिर वो निराशा की चरम सीमा पर चला जाता है। अगर लाभ में हो तो एक आध फसल का नुकसान भी हो जाए तो उसको झेल सकता है, लेकिन जब लगातार घाटे में रहे तो फिर फसल बर्बादी की स्थिति में वो उसको बर्बाद करने की स्थिति में डिस्कशन नहीं है अभी, बर्बाद हो जाता है जब, तभी वो आत्महत्या करने की स्थिति में पहुंचता है। उत्तर प्रदेश में लगभग अभी 2-3 दिन पहले ही हमारी केंद्र सरकार ने, सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी ऐसे में केंद्र सरकार की होती है, अगर कोई आपदा आती है, नेचुरल आपदा आती है, 253 करोड़ रुपया दिया है 21 अप्रैल को, जबकि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने मांग की थी 6,700 करोड़ की। ये तो मैं एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर बता रहा हूं कि सारे देश में यही स्थिति है। बीमा, फसल बीमा योजना लागू है, हजारों करोड़ रुपए का प्रीमियम बीमा कंपनियों को दिया गया है। केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकारों ने मिलकर और उत्तर प्रदेश में 141 करोड़ रुपया केवल किसानों ने अपने अंशदान के जरिए उसमें पैसा दिया। और आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि 50% से ज़्यादा फसल नष्ट होने के बाद भी केवल 2 करोड़ रुपया लगभग फसल बीमा के नाम पर मिला है। तो इन बीमा कंपनियों पर नियंत्रण केंद्र सरकार का है, इतने बड़े पैमाने पर प्रीमियम लेके बैठी हुई हैं और कमिटेड हैं कि अगर 50% से ज़्यादा नुकसान होता है तो 25% तत्काल किसान को देंगे और उसके बाद शेष उसकी क्षतिपूर्ति करेंगे, लेकिन एक पैसा नहीं दिया जा रहा है। ये स्थिति है, किसान मर रहा है, आत्महत्या कर रहा है पूरे देश
फॉर डिस्कशन।
तो इसलिए मैं ये कहता हूं कि अभी सारे लोगों को सुन लीजिए, उसके बाद तय कीजिए। डिस्कशन फुल फ्लैश्ड इस पर होना चाहिए और जब डिस्कशन हो तो चूंकि पूरा राष्ट्रीय स्तर का मामला है तो स्वयं प्रधानमंत्री जी आए, सुने लोगों की बात को, लोगों के जो दिल में है उसकी बात को और उसके बाद उसका जवाब।
Acha, now honorable members, see, honorable LOP has given notice to suspend under Rule 267 question hour and the business of the house. Notice has been given. And honorable LOP has spoken on it. And as far as I understand, the government side has already agreed for that, for suspending this day's business and to start the discussion immediately. Since the government has agreed, so that means the motion is accepted and we can start the discussion. Now I'll come to you. I will come to you. Let me complete. Raja, let me complete. See, motion for the subject regarding this farmer suicide and farmers issue, notices were received by Honorable. I am coming.
उसमें सबका नाम जोड़ दीजिए जिन्होंने
I am reading it. You are not allowing
वो
me.
उसका पार्ट हो जाएगा।
I am
Proceeding
reading
का part-
full. What are you? See, don't jump into conclusion, Mr. Naresh ji. Why आप नरेश नाराज है? क्यों नाराज है? नाराज होने की कोई बात नहीं है. आप बड़ा दोस्त है, क्यों नाराज है? अच्छा सुनिए. See, on this subject, that is farmers issue, notices for suspension were received in addition to Honorable LOP, Sri Anand Sharma, Sri K.C. Tyagi, Sri Naresh Agarwal, Sri Sadish Chandra Misra, and Sri Sharaj Yadav, Ram Gopal ji, yes. He has already spoken also. Now, on this subject, there is consensus. The government also said there can be discussion. I will also mention that there are other notices for suspension. Sri T.K. Rangarajan has given notice for on the subject of killing of 20 migrant workers. Then Sri D. Raja has given notice on the same subject. Sri Pramod Tiwari has given notice on the other subject, Samana, and Srimati Rajani Patel on Srimati Rajani Patel. These Rajani Patel. But since the suspension for farmers issue has been accepted by both sides, that suspension has been accepted. So rest of the, rest of the business for today, we are cancelling and we are taking up discussion on this subject. All other notices, let me say. Now let me complete. I am telling you, all other notices will become are infructuous as far as today is concerned. But if you want, you can repeat the notice next day. Yes.
Sir, the notice given by the leader of the opposition as an urgency. We agree agriculture is in deep crisis. Farmers are passing through unprecedented distress. It needs to be discussed. The number of suicides is increasing across the country. It needs to be debated, discussed. We support that notice.
Okay.
We support that motion. But we have also given a notice.
I already mentioned about
of
it.
Killing of 20
You can-
woodcutters, laborers in Andhra Pradesh by Andhra Pradesh.
I told
police.
you can
It
repeat
is
the
a
notice.
Massacre. It is
Next day.
cold-blooded murder, sir. It
Yes.
needs to be discussed and all should take.
I
notice.
said this can be repeated.
Huh?
You can repeat it. Yes. Kanimudi ji, you can repeat the notice. Now we are starting discussion on farmers issue. You can all participate in that. Other notices you can repeat.
We have not decided so far to discuss the issue. Discussion on issue will take place maybe on a particular date when everybody is here. Today they want to raise the issue.
No.
All those members who have raised this issue would like to speak on
No,
this.
that is not possible.
इन्वॉल्व है,
yeah. I'll call it.
एग्रीकल्चर है, फूड मिनिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व है, तो बिना प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बहस नहीं हो सकती।
कौन सी
तो
discuss-
लीडर
कौन सी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में?
कब आएंगे?
आप
जब पीएम आएंगे
No,
तब
आप कौन सी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बोलते हैं?
नहीं, फार्मर
Farmers. Okay, no. Yeah, please.
आज गंभीरता के साथ मैं मानता हूं नोटिस दिया गया और इस विषय के महत्व को देखते हुए हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हो गए और हमने कहा तुरंत शुरू कर दीजिए। अब मुझे लग रहा है कि प्रतिपक्ष चर्चा के लिए तैयार नहीं है और बहाने ढूंढे जा रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार से चर्चा आज ना हो। ये एक विचित्र स्थिति है।
Listen, yes, Sharad Yadav, I'll call it. Yeah, no, the
मैं
शरद जी, आपने जो मैंने बात बोला आप सुना है?
हाँ
सुना है
पूरा सुना।
सो इसके बारे में बोलिए।
हाँ या नहीं, आपने जो बात कही है वो ठीक बात कही है, और जो सदन के लोग बोल रहे हैं आपकी बात में इनकी बात में मेल रखना चाहिए, यानी दोनों गलत नहीं बोल रहे हैं, आपने ठीक बात कही है। लेकिन सदन के जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये मामला इतना गंभीर है कि सुबह ही कहा था, ठीक कह रहे थे अरुण जेटली जी कि हम लोग बहस चाह रहे थे इसी समय, लेकिन बोको से चर्चा हुई तो उनका ये कहना था कि सदन में जो एक तरह की एक स्थिति थी कि ये सदन में मेंबर कम होते हैं। दूसरी चीज है कि सारे लोग जो है वो सारे मिनिस्टर वहाँ एंगेज है उस सदन में भी, यहाँ भी। तो मैं आपसे
let him make his point. Let him make his
आप क्या
point,
सब
please. बोलिए।
नहीं, एक बात तो
माननीय शरद जी का बहुत हम सम्मान करते हैं, शरद जी का बहुत सम्मान करते हैं। आप चर्चा के लिए कह रहे हैं, अब उस पे किस बात की चर्चा? हम जब तैयार है चर्चा के लिए, शुरू करिए चर्चा।
Let him finish.
हम चर्चा जब हम तैयार न हो
मिस्टर नकवी,
तब आप उस पे चर्चा करिए।
नकवी जी,
हमारे ऊपर कोई दबाव आप तब डालेंगे जब हम तैयार हैं। हम तो तुरंत तैयार हुए हैं।
नकवी
शुरू
जी,
करिए, इसी समय करिए।
नकवी जी senior member, let him finish. He is very senior member, let him complete. I will deal. Sit down.
नहीं,
Sit down.
एक
Leave it to me. बोलिए, आप
आपके
बोलिए।
माध्यम से देखिए कि ये बात कितनी बार जो पार्लियामेंट्री स्टेट मिनिस्टर कितनी बार बोल चुके हैं आप, 3-4 बार रिपीट कर, सुनते नहीं, सुनिए ना, आप कर चुके, थोड़ी मेरी बात सुनने दीजिए। मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि ये डिबेट जो है वो आज जो लोग रह गए हैं उनको पूरा कराइए, और उस डिबेट बहस हो जाने के बाद फिर इस मामले में आप चाहें तो चैम्बर में बुला लीजिए, और नहीं तो यहां कोई सहमति हो सकती है, वो सहमति बनाइए। सदन तो सहमति से चलेगा ना। अभी बहुत से लोग इसमें बोल नहीं पाए, और कुछ आप बैठिए तो जरा देखिए।
अरे प्लीज, योर मिनिस्टर। अब आइए, योर
अभी
मिनिस्टर।
समस्या का समाधान ढूंढना है। मुझे समझ में आया क्या मुश्किल है दूसरी साइड से, मगर वो विषय नहीं है। हमको चाहिए सदन चले, बिजनेस चले, बिल्स है, कुछ और भी इश्यूज कुछ लोग रेज करना चाहते हैं। सर मुझे आपत्ति नहीं है, तुरंत चर्चा रेडी, मंडे चर्चा रेडी। आप डिसाइड करिए इधर में, लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन को भी बता रहे, शरद जी भी बता रहे मंडे करे, ठीक है, मंडे करने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं। आगे बढ़िए, आगे बढ़िए।
ओके,
मेरे को मैं तो कंक्लूड भी नहीं कर पाया था, चेयरमैन साहब यहाँ थे, मैं अपनी पूरी बात नहीं कर पाया था। मैं पूरी
No. I am not. Let him come. No. Please don't trouble. He is a senior member.
मैं
Why
ये
you
निवेदन
disturb?
करना चाहता हूँ कि जो बात वेंकैया जी ने कही उससे मैं पूरी तरह सहमत होते एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत से लोग नहीं बोल पाए, यानी आपके तृणमूल कांग्रेस के ने भी बोले, शरद पवार जी नहीं बोले। यदि थोड़ा ही बोलना है उनको, आज पूरी डिबेट नहीं चलाना, तो बाकी पार्टियों की राय भी जो है वो आपके रिकॉर्ड में आ जाए। एक नंबर 2, चेयरमैन साहब बैठे थे और मैं अपनी बात पूरी नहीं कर पाया। मैं सोचा कि इस बहस का कोई रास्ता बनेगा तब बोलेंगे, तो मैंने 2 बातें, एक बात तो कह दी कि एफसीआई वाले जो मामला, एफसीआई के जो हाथ में जो ताकत है और जैसे सीधी रात इससे दे सकते उससे कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है। दूसरा बैंक है, बैंक का जो कर्ज है, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाइए अरुण जेटली जी, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाइए, इस सदन में बहस भी हो और सारी पार्टियों के साथ बैठ करके ये गंभीर समस्या, और उसमें पार्टियों की मीटिंग बुलाए तो समय मत लगाइए, जल्दी से जल्दी उसमें बुलाइए और सारे एमपीज के हाथ में ये दीजिए
वो हर क्षेत्र से हकीकत की एक सरकारी रिपोर्ट होगी, राज्य सरकार की रिपोर्ट होगी, एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट होगा, होम मिनिस्ट्री होगी। ये सारी चीजें मिलकर के जो रिपोर्ट आएगी, उसके बाद जो असली तत्काल राहत हो सकती है, तो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर बैठे हैं। ये जो कर्ज है, जो नेशनल बैंक का जो कर्ज है, उसके मामले में क्या राहत दे सकते हैं आप?
सर जी ठीक है,
ये जो तत्काल कदम उठाए जा सकते हैं। दूसरी चीज ये है कि ये किसानों की आत्महत्या के बारे में किसी राज्य से चारों तरफ से कहीं मीडिया खबर दे रहा है, कई खबर आ रही कि आत्महत्या हो रही है, और ये भी है कि हमारे सर पे एक मौत हो गई। इसलिए इस मामले में सरकार को असली आंकड़ा देना चाहिए। जैसे गरीबी के मामले में आज तक हम पता नहीं लगा पाए। सुनिए तो सर, क्या हम गरीबी के बारे में अभी तक ये नहीं पता लगा है कि कितनी संख्या है। इसलिए इस मामले में भी आत्महत्या कितनी हुई है, ये तो सरकार इसी सदन में बहस के दौरान बताने का काम कर सकती है। और इसलिए मेरा कहना है कि 3 चीजों पर तत्काल ये काम होना चाहिए। आज की बहस संक्षेप में सबको आप मौका दे दें।
Now see, please, I seek the indulgence of the House because as a chair, I have to go by some procedure. That is all the point. Now, as far as I understand, I was listening to the procedure in the morning also, even the Honorable Chairman was in the chair. The Honorable LOP has given a notice for suspension of the question hour. And the Honorable Chairman has allowed him to speak and move it also. Now I understand there is a demand from one side that a discussion should be conducted, should be held on the notice whether discussion should start or not. See, now the question here is, the government voluntarily, willingly said, yes, we are ready to suspend the business and we can start the discussion. And the whole House is for the discussion, because the motion is by the LOP and LOP is asking discussion. Other notices, there are 5 notices also asking suspension and discussion. That means there is no way by which I can now allow a discussion whether there should be a discussion or not, because already it is accepted, there can be discussion. So the only way before me is to allow, let me complete. The only way before me is to allow to start the discussion which was demanded by LOP. That is the only way, because that is a motion. And no need of putting it to vote also, because it is accepted by all. If there is objection, if government objects it, or if any one of you object the motion, I will put it to vote. I can do that, but there is no objection. So I cannot put it to vote because the entire House is in agreement. And if the entire House is in agreement, what do I do other than taking up the discussion? Therefore, as per procedure, as the chair, I can only allow now the discussion to start. That is discussion on the subject which Honorable LOP has asked for. That is the only way that I can follow. Yeah.
मेरे सिग्नेचर माननीय सभापति जी, इस मारे हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि इसकी डेट सबको बैठा के तय कर लिए जाए। परसों लोकसभा में कृषि मंत्री माननीय राधा मोहन सिंह जी बैठे हुए हैं। इन्होंने लोकसभा में कुछ फिगर्स दी जो देश के सब अखबारों में छपी। उसमें इन्होंने उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए भी तमाम फिगर दे दी कि उत्तर प्रदेश से कितना रुपया मांगा, हमने कितना दिया, जबकि बिल्कुल तथ्यों से परे था। उत्तर प्रदेश से जो रुपया मांगा आपने नहीं दिया, तो आपने गलत तथ्य दिए। सीमन वो तो बात छप गए और गलत तथ्य के आधार पर ये मैसेज चला गया जैसे उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने वहां पर किसानों की मदद नहीं करना।
So discussion शुरू करें।
मैं इस मारे कह रहा हूं कि जब मिनिस्टर वहां तथ्यों से परे जा सकते हैं, तो हम लोग चाहते हैं आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, जब किसानों का मामला पूरे देश के किसानों को मामला,
तो दूसरी
प्रधानमंत्री जी की प्रतिष्ठा का सवाल नहीं है।
उसके बारे में
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी न हो तब तक चर्चा करने से फायदा क्या होगा?
वो तो दूसरी बात है, उसके बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं बोला। See, the point is, Mr. Naresh ji, that is a different matter. I have not said anything about that.
अभी तो कह रहे हैं कि लीडर्स की बैठक बुला
That's
लीजिए
okay. What I
सभी
said
दलों
is
के।
we can start the
अब डेट तय हो जाएगी,
discussion. Government is ready for that.
प्रधानमंत्री जी
Everybody is
free
ready.
है। जिस दिन प्रधानमंत्री जी फ्री होंगे उस दिन बहस रख ली जाए, इसमें क्या दिक्कत?
तो मैं क्लियरिफिकेशन देना चाहता हूं।
No, you will get time when you are replying. Why do you want to say now? When the discussion comes, you are replying. Then why do you want? What is your? No, I am going to start the discussion.
Sir, listen to me.
Yeah.
Important thing. If you have gone through my motion, which I have asked under rule, this involves both Gajendra Singh related case and also the farmers' condition which led Gajendra Singh to this ultimate act, which has been publicized and published across the country through electronic and print media. So for that, if you want a full-fledged discussion, now this problem is not confined to a particular part of the country. This problem is across the country. And who is the competent person to take final action? Basically, insofar as yesterday's incident is concerned, two ministries are involved. One is the Home Minister, because the police involved for action or no action or inaction is the Delhi Police. Thereby, the role of the Home Minister, Government of India, comes into the picture. So Honorable Home Minister has to be here. He shall have to reply on behalf of the Delhi government and the police, which is under the direct control of the Home Ministry, not under AAP. Then, since this yesterday's incident has occurred because of the plight of the farmers happening across the country for the last few months and years, for that Honorable Agriculture Minister is here, he has to be there. Then if we start the discussion right now, the Food Minister is here, the FCI shall come into the picture,
Yes.
procurement. But then I'm sure, insofar as this particular subject is concerned, neither Home Minister nor Food Minister and nor the Finance Minister does not come. They will also come, of course, directly insofar as the distribution
Alapi,
of money is concerned.
when you
So
start
the
the discussion, they can come.
Honorable Prime Minister shall have to be here, who will finally reply to this question.
Deputy Chairman, sir, the LOP is right in saying that the matter connected with disease is led by the Honorable Home Minister. And then the agriculture crisis across the country, Agriculture Minister. And then he was also a minister, LOP was a minister. The agriculture distress, at the end of the day, there is a high-level committee in which Home Minister, Finance Minister, Agriculture Minister, they are all members. Sir, if the House is willing to have discussion now, the Home Minister will be coming shortly. I just now talked to him. He's coming now anytime. So we can take it up that way.
Finance Minister is here.
Finance Minister anyhow is the leader of the House. He's very much here. Food Minister is very much here. Agriculture Minister is very much here. As many ministers as possible. One.
Yes, what do you want?
सुनिए ना, सुनिए भैया.
Now let me, please listen.
Hey,
Narayan ji,
entire
listen,
country
सुनिए,
is watching
सुनिए.
us. Entire country
मंत्री
is
को
watching us.
सुनिए.
भाई आपका नेता ने बोला बाद में क्या?
सुनिए.
शांताराम जी थोड़ा शांत हो जाइए प्लीज. मेरा कहना ये है सर, you wanted immediate suspension of the question hour and other business discussion. At that time these issues were not raised, but we said yes. Then now you are saying we will want to have it on Monday. We are not prepared. For that also I am saying, I have no problem. You want Home Minister. For that also I have no problem. Home Minister is coming shortly. So please, instead of going into details, sir, instead of going into details and making some charge here and there, let us discuss. Let us, government have
What
been
is
proactive.
See-
Sir, please, Deputy Chairman, please come. Let me complete. Now. The government have taking a proactive role, have sent a number of ministers across the country, including Home Minister, Finance Minister, myself, Agriculture Minister, even Road Development Minister. They have gone to different states of the country. We have studied the situation. Government of India has come out with a new announcement with regard to relief and rehabilitation also. making a big departure from earlier what has been done, including the compensation, quantum of compensation, and also the compensation for individuals, etc. I am not going to that. Government is ready with all the facts, and government is ready to hear the views of the opposition. This is a larger issue. It has not happened only yesterday. The suicides have been happening for years together. It's unfortunate. We should come together, make collective wisdom, give meaningful suggestions, and wherever correctives are required, government is ready to take those steps. This has been made very clear. So let us either start the debate now or otherwise Monday or Tuesday, but let us not waste time in discussing the other nitty-gritties and then do injustice to other issues. There are other issues. Some of the members want to raise other issues, and then government want to have bill also. My government business also is there. In fact, government business also has to come. So please either do this or that instead of again discussing other issues. This is my humble request to the House.
No, no. What do you want to speak? Oh, no, no.
वेरी सिंपल थिंग सर,
No, no, no.
मेरा सिर्फ ये कहना है कि क्या सरकार इस विषय को गंभीरता से महसूस करती है, कितनी गंभीरता से ले रही
LOP has
है?
already said-
अगर गंभीरता से ले रही है, उसे लगता है, मुझे तो नहीं याद पड़ता, अगर याद हो तो ये बता
No,
दे
no, no.
कब देश इस हालात से गुजरा है कि हर आधे घंटे के बाद एक आत्महत्या हो। कब देश इस हालात से गुजरा है कि पार्लियामेंट हाउस के सामने एक आदमी फांसी का फंदा लगाकर आत्महत्या कर ले। अगर सरकार गंभीर है तो प्रधानमंत्री को बुलाए, प्रधानमंत्री आए और बताए कि उनके उस वायदे का क्या हुआ कि जिस दिन हमारी सरकार बन जाएगी उसके बाद आत्महत्या नहीं होगी। अगर आकर पार्लियामेंट हाउस के सामने आत्महत्या हो रही है तो प्रधानमंत्री के अलावा ये सदन किसी को सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। या तो प्रधानमंत्री या इस बात के महत्व को अगर नहीं समझते तो निश्चित रूप से ये चर्चा बिना प्रधानमंत्री के प्रारंभ नहीं हो सकती।
I mentioned your name, I explained you are not here. Mr. Rangarajan, I mentioned in the house that you have given notice. I also said because this notice is accepted, other notices are infructuous, you can repeat the notice I already said. I have mentioned that you have given notice. So if you want, you can repeat next day. Kanimari also, please do that. Now sit down, sit. Yes, in your case also, I say I am on my legs. I will give you. See, no, you sit down. I am standing to speak. You should know the rules of the house. Now listen. Now please, honorable members. Now, honorable members, try to understand my problem. That I have already given a decision because I have no other go. Because when the motion, yes, I will call you. See, because what is the motion? The motion is that the business should be suspended to take up the discussion of the farmers' issue and suicide. And government has, no listen, now let me say, this government has accepted that and you are not objecting to that. That means that motion is accepted, we have to start the discussion. So now let me complete, no, we have to start it. That is only my way. I don't see any other way. Now, the point raised by Sri Naresh Agarwal and also Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad and maybe Tiwari also, I didn't hear him fully, but that Honorable Prime Minister should also be here. But our Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister has already said all concerned ministers will be available here, that he has assured. Now, the chair cannot ask the Prime Minister to come or not to come. It is not for the chair. Chair has only one option to start the discussion. So I am now deciding we start the discussion. I will have to call the name for the discussion. I see no other go.
चार मिनिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व है, फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री, एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री, फूड मिनिस्ट्री, ये सब इसमें इन्वॉल्व है।
हाँ।
सिमन जवाब तो एक मंत्री देगा।
हाँ।
और इशू सबसे जुड़े
पूरा मंत्री इसको इंटरवेंशन कर सकते हैं।
सबका जवाब एक मंत्री कैसे दे देगा? जब गृह मंत्री का भी जवाब एक दे दे, फूड मंत्री का भी दे दे, एग्रीकल्चर का भी दे दे, फाइनेंस का दे दे, ये तो केवल प्रधानमंत्री दे सकते हैं और कोई नहीं दे सकता है। सिमन, ये ठीक है, संविधान में कलेक्टिव रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है। चार मिनिस्ट्री का जवाब
that is see, government is working on collective and joint responsibility. The chair cannot ask that a particular minister, even if it is prime minister to reply, it is for the government to decide who should reply.
Simon,
And all the ministers are there. I cannot ask.
अगर चारों मिनिस्टर
I cannot ask.
तो एक मिनिस्टर कैसे जवाब दे देगा?
मैं क्या करूं? नरेश जी, मैं क्या करूं?
उसमें दो तरीके हैं, एक तो सिमन ये तय करना है कि बहस कै घंटे चलेगी, डिस्कशन कै घंटे चलेगा, क्योंकि उसी के आधार पर आप पार्टियों को समय अलॉट करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी तो पता ही नहीं कै घंटे डिस्कशन होगा। दूसरा कि आप सभी नेताओं को अभी बुला लें, हाउस आधे घंटे के लिए आप एडजॉर्न कर दें, सभी नेताओं को बुला लें, तो
Because
बहस तय हो जाएगा।
there is no issue. It is agreed to.
है प्राइम मिनिस्टर इशू
No,
है,
see,
प्रधानमंत्री जी इशू है।
नरेश जी, see कोई इशू नहीं है से, see नरेश जी, मैं either my English is wrong or my Hindi is wrong. If I am not able to convey, that is, listen नरेश जी सुनिए, अगर आप मेरे अंग्रेजी या इंग्लिश नहीं समझते हो तो मैं मलयालम में बात करूंगा। अरे नरेश जी, there is no issue here because I am telling you, kindly understand, bear with me, whatever demand is made by Honorable LOP has been accepted for discussion. So you have to take this. Now, if you are asking Prime Minister should come, it is not my job. I cannot direct the Prime Minister should come. I see the government working on collective resources. It is not my job. I cannot ask. I can only start the discussion. I will call the name for discussion, nothing more than that. Rest it is up to you to decide. So discussion. मैं क्या करूं? No, here are ministers. No. ये मेरा काम नहीं है. डिस्कशन नरेश जी, हम डिस्कशन शुरू करेगा, मैं क्या करूं? श्री गुलाम, ऑनरेबल LOP, I have to start the discussion now. No, if we start, it is 2:30. Now listen, if we start now, it is 2:30, up to 6 there is 3.5 hours. Enough time for discussion. Let us start now.
Sir, these debates are normally, time is fixed 1 hour or 2 hours.
2.5.
Sir.
You are usually 2.5.
Yeah, okay, I have no, even that also I have no problem. Even 2.5 hours also I have no problem. Morning we last more than an hour. Now also we are losing much time. Please, by नरेश जी, ये आज ही जन्म पैदा हुआ, पहले कुछ हुआ नहीं ऐसा बोल रहे क्या है? What is happening? What is happening, sir? The entire country is watching. We are House of Elders. Sir, the House of Elders, the Lok Sabha has discussed it for 1.5 hours. There are problems, sir, there are problems, they have only one person, whereas here we are collective responsibility, government functions on collective responsibility. And I don't know why they are. I understood their difficulty also. I said I have no problem you to even have on Monday also. I got the clue from leader of the opposition. That also I said no problem. Tuesday you want to have Tuesday also. But decide something and let the House stands at business.
Okay, if the House is, I can.
एक मिनट,
Yeah, please.
बात यह है कि
कुछ
जो
नया
चीज है उसका मैं निवारण करना चाहता हूँ। यानी अभी जो लोग बोले हैं, कुछ लोग छूट गए हैं। इस बीच में ये बहस हो गई कि इस बहस को कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाए मेन डिबेट में। मैं सोचता हूं कि पहले जो लोग रह गए हैं, जो पार्टियां रह गई हैं, वो बोल लें, इसके बाद फिर
नो रूल। सी शरद जी, मैं आपको शरद जी, सुनिए प्लीज। शरद जी, मैं आपको बहुत मानते हुए रेस्पेक्ट करते, लेकिन रूल, देयर इज नो रूल, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मोशन इज एक्सेप्टेड, then you have to start only that discussion. So motion के, see, to discuss about the motion. It is not possible because they have accepted it. What do I do? If the government have, so we have to start it. Now otherwise, as Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister has suggested, if there is a consensus, we can postpone the discussion for Monday, then we have to take up the other issues, other bills we have to take up. Either way you have to act. See, if the discussion is to be postponed now it can only be done with a consensus of the House. It can be postponed to Monday. In that case, let us take up the rest of the business. That is the point. Now technically, Minister, no, technically, let me complete. Technically, the problem before me is, see, you should understand, technically the problem before me is that the motion is to suspend, which has been accepted without voting. And so it stands suspended. And so if you don't start the discussion, then why did you suspend it?
Sir, Deputy Chairman, sir, it was not, Pramodji, it's not my suggestion to postpone the discussion to Monday. As I understood initially, LOP has mentioned it. I said, okay, in the large interest of smooth functioning of the House, if they want to have debate on Monday also, I said, no problem. Sir, I could have said no problem for tomorrow also. But tomorrow, Honorable Home Minister is going to go
Tomorrow
Bihar,
is Friday.
because Bihar also.
No,
there is a
tomorrow is
cannot
not
be.
possible. Tomorrow is private members' day.
Private members bill.
Not
So
possible.
you decide Monday or Tuesday, whatever you decide. Let the government business be taken up now, please. वो तो
BSc की
सर
बैठक में तय कर
समय
लेंगे
कितना नरेश जी समय कितना है बहस के लिए देना कौन सी नियम के आधार पर देना बीएससी में तय करो मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है मुझे बट पुराना परंपरा भी क्या है अभी तक अनुभव क्या है उसको भी ध्यान में रख के तय करना पड़ेगा प्लीज आगे बढ़िए अलाउ द गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस टू गो ऑन अदरवाइज
किसानों का इशू है, हर सदस्य बोलेगा, कोई
अरे भैया, आप क्यों कष्ट कर रहे हैं सर I have no problem 245 members of the House including ministers want to speak also. I have no problem. The only thing is we must be working, we must be seen working. ऐसी arguments लेके टाल रहे ये मैसेज जाना अच्छा नहीं है किसी के लिए ऐसा नहीं House का how can you just abruptly end the House without a decision? We have come to a conclusion. He has given a ruling. Either go by the ruling or go by the corrective opinion of the House to have it on other day. जो देते रहा वही देंगे निश्चिंत रहिए जो 50 years including Uttar Pradesh Assembly or states or center what has been the practice concerned minister will reply and cabinet means collective responsibility. Ours is not one party government, one person government. We are a cabinet.
Now, Sri Naresh Agarwal ji, Sri Ram Gopal ji, Naresh Agarwal ji, आपका पार्टी का Ram Gopal ji से सुनिए. The problem is kindly cooperate and bear with me. Ram Gopal ji, Tiwari ji, you are creating trouble and coming here and also injecting trouble. Injecting trouble. Now listen. You see the point. The problem is House. So no, House stands. The business of the House stands suspended because it is the entire House agreed. So now the duty of the chair is to start the discussion. The technical objection raised by Sri Naresh Agarwal that Prime Minister should be available here. See, for that I have given my ruling. Yes, I have no objection if Prime Minister comes, but I cannot give a direction because I know government is working on collective responsibility, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister has already said all concerned ministers will be available and they will all intervene also. Therefore, I cannot direct that Prime Minister should come. If the Prime Minister comes, I will be happy. With this note, I am starting the discussion. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad to start discussion. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
ये आप कैसे करें?
I have no other go.
Sir, I don't think the opposition, other leaders of the opposition party.
What do I do then?
So you will have to have the consensus on this.
No,
That's why it was in this
Mr.
backdrop, I was requesting that each one of them may be given an opportunity to speak, whether
So,
just make a point
that is
and whether they would like
absolutely-
to have, whether they would like to have discussion
Sir,
today or
Ghulam
tomorrow.
Nabi ji-
So I cannot speak on behalf of the entire opposition parties. There are 13 or 14 or 15, 16 opposition parties.
see,
Unless
the
we-
point, see, how can so, Honorable LOP, see, Honorable LOP, you are a very, very seasoned member. You were minister from when I entered this parliament in 1980, then he was minister. No, listen, minister. Now, see, now, once the House has accepted your motion, of suspension, how can I allow a discussion on that? I can suspend and it is suspended. So this is against the rule. There is no rule to allow a discussion on this. Okay. No, okay, it would have been possible if government had objected to it. If government had said no, then I could have heard the version of everybody. Government has accepted. So what can I do? And then the only problem is the PM should come, that's your demand. For which I gave my ruling. What I can do maximum I said. More than that I cannot do. So for me, the only way is to start the discussion or otherwise to adjourn the house. That's the only way before me.
भी हो रहा कि मंडे को चर्चा हो जाए, लेकिन माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी, अगर गंभीरता है, हम में भी आपने सब में गंभीरता है, तो
बोलिए नहीं, शांत शांत सुनिए सुनिए।
जी को बुलाओ।
ये तो ये
महाराष्ट्र में किसान मर रहे हैं, आपकी सरकार है वहाँ पे, 600 किसान वहाँ मरे हैं, 600 किसान महाराष्ट्र में मरे हैं, और बता रहे हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए। आपकी सरकार देखिए अपनी सरकार देखिए, अपनी सरकार देखो पहले, महाराष्ट्र की सरकार देखो, महाराष्ट्र की सरकार देखो पहले, महाराष्ट्र की सरकार देखो, 600 लोग मरे हैं, 600 लोग महाराष्ट्र में मरे हैं किसान, वहाँ की सरकार देखते पहले, अपनी सरकार देखो।
ठीक है,
यहाँ उत्तर प्रदेश की बात मत करो, महाराष्ट्र देखो पहले,
तेरे महाराष्ट्र में मर गया, उत्तर प्रदेश में मर गया, बाकी स्टेट्स में भी मर गया। प्लीज बैठ जाइए, हाउस को चलने दीजिए, हाउस को अरे भाई, अरे पूरा देश में हो रहे, पूरा देश में हो रहे, इसलिए चर्चा सर, these things are happening across the country, these things are happening across the country। विनय जी बैठिए प्लीज, बैठिए, आप बैठिए विनय जी बैठिए प्लीज। Sir, these things are happening across the country. I do admit there may be difference of some numbers here and there. Keeping that in mind, let us have a serious discussion on this issue. Give some meaningful suggestion. Government is willing to go by the corrective wisdom of the House that I have already submitted. Please let us start the debate, or otherwise decide to have the other business and go to other day.
Exactly. Yeah.
ये है कि समय पता लग जाए किस दल को कितना समय मिलेगा बोलने में, क्यों कितने लोग बोलेंगे, तो वो चीज तय होना सबसे मेन चीज है, क्योंकि यहाँ जो प्रोसीजर है उसमें आप घंटे तय करेंगे तो
प्रोसीजर भी आपको मालूम है सर, विषय गंभीर है तो हर एक पार्टी को एक एक व्यक्ति को बोलने के लिए मौका देना, वही पद्धति अभी तक वही पद्धति है। ये नया पद्धति शुरू हो गया क्या हमारी सरकार हर एक तारीख से? That has been the system. Let every party choose its speaker. Let one person speak from every party. All parties, big or small.
नरेश जी,
ये हर एक के जिले से जुड़ा मामला है, हर एक के गांव से जुड़ा मामला है।
Yes, Naresh ji, so now, if we start discussion now we can sit up to 6:30, 7 or 7:30, as much as you want we can sit, I have no problem. Otherwise, the suggestion by Parliamentary Affairs Minister, the House can by a consensus, decide to postpone the discussion and take up the rest of the business. Either of these, that is the only way before me.
5 बजे तक हाउस चलेगा।
How much you want? कितना आपको चाहिए उतना? See, if the house wants, if the house wants it up to midnight, am I to stand in the way?
उसको शुरू करा दीजिए जो कहा है उन्होंने, और सोमवार को बहस करा दीजिए।
तैयार है। अगर नेता विरोधी दल ने जैसा कहा, माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी ने जैसा कहा, अगर विपक्ष इस समय चर्चा के लिए तैयार नहीं है तो दूसरा बिजनेस हो और मंडे को या जब समय चेयर तय करे चर्चा करेंगे।
So, Sri Gula, Honorable LOP.
This suggestion is accepted. It means that notice has been accepted, but debate has not been accepted. So you have agreed to suspend the rest of business for this day because of this notice. Other notices have become infructuous. Now, what is the position of other notices?
Solution to that also. There is a solution to that also. There is a solution to that also. There is a solution to that also. Even for the issue which you have raised, there is a solution. Let a fresh notice be given. That can be taken up once the chair
I told
decides.
already. I already said that. You can repeat it.
We are willing to
I
do
already
that.
gave a ruling.
We are willing to do that. Now I am questioning the procedure. If this has not been taken up today, and you have agreed to suspend the business for today, and you said since this notice has been accepted, the other notices have become infructuous.
Yes.
And you have advised us to renew them. Now the issue is, this notice has not been taken up now for debate.
No. Is stand suspended, taken up or not? We have, let us see. What is honorable? Let me see. Honorable, see. I would request honorable LOP to react. Honorable LOP to react now. Either way.
And the leader of the house is here. Who
No,
will
government
take
side
the
is
other
very,
notice?
no, listen, government side is very clear. They said they are ready for discussion today or on Monday. Government side is very clear. Now, honorable LOP,
कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा।
Cannot discuss here.
कोई आपसे लोग
I called honorable LOP. Your notice, you repeat, I told you. Repeat karo. All of you speak, what do I do? If one of you speak, all of you are speaking, I can't hear. If you one of you speak, let us decide on this. I will come to that. I will come to that. Now please. No. Now please. I would, yes. Now since the mover of the motion is Honorable LOP, I want the Honorable LOP to react and say what is the view of the opposition. Please, government has already made their point very clear. What is your view? Tell me.
Now, first of all, thank you very much, and I would like to thank the chairman also for accepting my motion in the morning. But meanwhile, I cannot speak, and I am not supposed to speak on behalf of the leaders of other political parties. They have their own views. They have their own leadership to represent in this house and the other house and outside the house. And they have their own political issues of handling the things they would like to handle inside and outside. But since there is no consensus, while I had given the motion, but that does not mean that I have consulted each one of them, which I had not. And obviously, if I had not consulted the honorable leaders representing different political parties. So I cannot take it for granted that as if they were ready for the discussion today itself. Of course, this is an issue which has been agitating in the minds of every person this side and that side, and amongst the thousands and millions people across the country. Having said that, since all political parties, yes, there are some political parties who would like to speak today only, but not everybody, not each and every political party, and they would like to maybe have some more time. So I think the consensus which is building up is, yes, since 2, 3 or 4 political parties, the leaders representing different parties have made a mention about the issue, the consensus is that there are only 2, 3 political parties representing, including Sharadji's party, including TMC and maybe other parties. Just, please. Which will not take 2 minutes. Which will not take. We should not take 2 minutes each. I am just saying that we should not take 1 minute or 2 minutes each. So while we have been discussing it for the last 3 hours, that will take maximum total number will take 10 minutes, and then we should go for full-fledged discussion on Monday. But my submission is, and I am thankful to Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister that he said all 243 members, well, all 243 members it may not be possible. But since this is an issue which is being confronted and day in and day out in each constituency, so large number of members of Parliament would like to speak. So my submission will, they don't fix 2 hours, 2.5 hours, let it go at least 5, 6, 7 hours, and so that the Honorable Minister, I agree with the government that one Honorable Minister represents the entire government. But should any member of Parliament specifically would like a specific answer from a particular minister, say for FCI, whether they should do the procurement or not, I am sure that I'm said that the food minister should be ready here to speak on behalf of his minister. Please. Agriculture Minister is the main person. Since this was the yesterday's particular incident is directly related with also law and order, the Honorable Home Minister is there. So my submission is that at the moment, maybe 3, 4 members, we should. Okay, thank you very much, and we will have on Monday, and today we the members should be allowed.
No.
Sir, we should take up the debate and complete it today.
Honorable LOP, I want to remind Honorable LOP, see, your motion being very important, Honorable Chairman, agreeing to suspend even question hour allowed you. Now, since the business of the House is already suspended, what can we do other than starting the discussion? And, if yes, adjournment is another thing, I agree. See, what can we do? Then, you are saying that members should be allowed to say that is what I am saying. Start the discussion. Every whoever wants, we can sit up to late or we can sit tomorrow. I don't mind, but start the discussion. Why don't you start the discussion? No, for that there should be a decision, because already for this.
It's the leader of the House.
Yes, please, let us hear the leader of the House.
Sir, the agrarian situation is a serious issue. It's much more than just a political instrument. So when members gave notice in the morning today, and 5 of them gave notice, the notice was suspend the question hour. This subject is of such importance that the discussion be taken up right now. In the morning we heard eloquence, one after the other, why everything must be suspended and a discussion should be taken up right now. We agreed, the chair agreed, post lunch The same members get up and say, I am not bound by my notice that suspend the work today and start a discussion. I am not bound by what I was saying in the morning. Now I will argue to the contrary why a discussion should not be held today. So the entire opposition post-lunch is arguing why a discussion should not be take place today. Pre-lunch, the entire argument was why the discussion should be held today. If this is the seriousness with regard to the plight of the farmer, then the whole country is going to mock at us. That's all I have to say.
I would like to, no. Sir, 1 second. No, I'm ready because I have given the notice.
So,
Now,
I have to start the discussion.
if वो प्रभाचा सुनिए ना, लेकिन ये जब वेंकैया जी तैयार हो गए कि आज की बात को छोड़कर सोमवार को भी हो जाए।
Okay,
क्या बात कर रहे
he is ready to speak. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. Discussion starts. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad to speak.
अब इतना बढ़िया आदमी है, अब अनुभव भी है। मैंने इसलिए कहा, गुलाम नबी जी ने कहा मंडे करे तो कैसा रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ तो मैंने कहा उसके लिए मैं तैयार हूँ, इतना ही मैंने कहा। मैंने प्रपोज किया नहीं। हाँ, इसलिए अभी शुरू हो गए।
आप एग्री हो गए, यही कह रहा हूँ।
अबे शुरू करें,
अरुण
अबे शुरू करें सर।
जी हमको आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
लेट गुलाम नबी जी
ये तो गलत है,
start the
बातचीत कर रहे हैं।
debate. Home Minister is there, everybody taking notes.
Deputy Chairman साहब।
Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. We start the discussion and how much time also?
Sir, don't fix the time.
Okay.
What is the sir? We have not. My party has not given a notice for suspension.
No, you will be given
1
time.
minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. We need to be clear. My party has not given a notice for suspension in the morning. Nor have we got involved about Monday or today. You have not given us a chance also when 5 other parties spoke.
But you are getting
One
chance
second,
here.
sir. I want to ask one simple question. We will start. How much time is my party getting? I need to know this before we start.
Okay.
I need to know this before I
So
start.
now decide how much time for the discussion.
Earlier I said
You
1
give a
hour.
suggestion.
People said, I said 1 hour. People said no, it's not sufficient. Then 2 hours. Whatever practice is there, apportion it on the basis of the strength of the parties and give it to everybody. No problem.
Yeah, I think why not?
You want
Is that
once the debate is
No,
over,
sir.
you can think about it. Also.
Honorable Minister, thank you very much, but my submission is that the entire seriousness of the subject will evaporate, go. If we just discuss it for the sake of discussion, let it be discussion, even if it is up to mid of the night, 2 o'clock, doesn't matter.
No, there is a problem. Yes.
That is very serious for the country and for all of us. I am sure the government is as concerned about it as we are concerned. So if that is the case, please do not restrict by time. Please do not restrict by time. You allow a proper discussion on this because there is a very severe, sir, very severe, serious agrarian distress in the country. All aspects will have to be discussed. All aspects. So therefore, my request is, I'm sorry, hold it.
आपसे सहमत है।
हाँ भाई। सर कोई समय सीमा नहीं हो, लेकिन आज इसको फिनिश
Yeah, I have a suggestion. Today, now we will discuss up to 6 o'clock, 3 hours. At 6 we will take the sense of the house and continue if we want. Okay?